Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Libertex. If you have made some profits or just want to access your funds on Libertex, it's important to know how to withdraw money safely. And in this video I'll show you how to withdraw funds from your Libertex account using your iPhone. You need to open the Libertex app and you need to tap the wallet or profile icon, then select withdraw. On the bottom we could see there's a wallet icon. Tap on the wallet icon and here we could see there's an option for deposit or withdraw. Select withdraw. And here you are required to fill out additional information. You need to select start on the bottom, and here you need to type down your first name, your last name and your date of birth. And after you're done, select continue. And here you are also required to type down your phone number, and after you're done, select continue. And over here on the bottom we could see a new request. There's no pending withdrawal request found right now. And if you want to put a new request on Libertex, on the bottom there's a new request icon. Tap on that. You need to type in the amount you wish to withdraw, and here you need to type down your withdraw address as well. And if you want any withdrawal method, we can see there's this icon. You can simply tap on this, and over here you can choose any withdrawal methods you like in. It's either for Bitcoin or Litecoin, USD coin, please. So simply pick any of these withdrawal methods and also type down your withdrawal address as well. And after you're done, on the bottom you can see there's a withdraw icon. Simply tap on the withdraw, and after that funds will be transferred according to your method's processing time. Once processed, your account balance will update and you can access your money. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. If you have any trouble withdrawing your Libertex money, comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.